look what arrived. Okay, I already opened it because I was so excited. It's a package from Taylor Bulb, so thank you so much for sending this out. It's a box full of goodies. Let's have a look. They included some beautiful iris for color until June. Look at this beautiful mix of colors. I love that. Oh, I love clustered daffodils. I've never tried these before. Canaliculatus. I love fragrant and clustered daffodils, so this is awesome. Arctic bells. I've never tried the bell-shaped daffodils before, so I'm really excited. These are gorgeous. What else do we have? Double tulip in pink. How perfect. Crocuses for early flowering. Beautiful alliums, purple sensation, a great classic, loved by the bees. Mount Everest, I grew this last year, beautiful white, really lovely shape as well. Some prepared hyacinths, that means we can plant them now and get blooms as early as January. Yeah, blooms indoors from January. That's beautiful. I love the rich color too. Some more alliums, a bit smaller, that will be lovely too. Specialty tulips, I've never grown this before, suited for woodland and shady locations. Tulipa tarda, so they're a bit later blooming. Oh, and they're only 12 centimeters. Oh, that's going to be so sweet. The bag was opened. This is what the bulbs look like. Oh, they're so sweet. Oh, oops. Oh, and another beautiful tulip, White Valley. I love green and white tulips. This is incredible. Ooh, the bulbs look great and elfy. Look at that. We have blooms from January with the hyacinths all the way to June with the alliums and the irises. It's going to be glorious. Thank you so much for sending all this out. I can't wait to plant them and see what they look like come spring. Bye!